Eastwood, and you're back for part 3 of, hey, let's write our own music. So I'm a guitarist and a composer. If you watched parts 1 on improvisation and part 2 on instrumentals, this is part 3. We're going to talk about songs. And songs, when you think song, a lot of times you think lyrics, right? You've got poetry combined with music and you're trying to say something. A lot of times, the words don't have to mean much. It can be just something that has a feeling. There's a feel into certain words that give you a feeling when you hear them together with music, and there's a song. We talked a little bit about the blues in each time, because the blues is the foundation of Western music, pop music, everything we hear on the Spotify and Apple Music and streaming stuff today is basically from the blues. That's what kind of started American music, which led to the Beatles and Elvis and all the way up to now. So the blues started as a call and response kind of way to do things. So the singing was 2 questions and then an answer. I'll give you an example here. We'll do a little, make something up on the spot. Where am I singing this song? Where am I singing this song? Now we ask the question. Where am I singing this song? Where am I singing this song? Then the answer. I'm in the St. James Museum and I'm singing this song. And it repeats again. You had that kind of idea. So that's the easiest way for you to start making up songs. Think about 2 questions and an answer. And then you can, the best way to write your own music, this is how I learned, is listen to your favorite music, whatever your heroes are. Whatever music you love, listen to that and try to copy it. Try to say, okay, what if instead of that melody, that line, I wrote this line, So it's a great way to do it. And then if you get an instrument going, really all you need a melody, like we talked about last time, and over a chord progression. So I've got a few of my songs here I'll play for you right now that I wrote. And I'll show you how I kind of did it. So this first one, the great thing about songs is a lot of times you only need 3 chords. This song only has 3 chords in it. Over and over, and there's tons of songs from history, tons of songs you'll hear on the radio now. It's just that same chord progression. It's called going over and over. So, and then you can use metaphor. This song's called "Riding the Storm," and it's kind of like, it's your life. But if you were a pirate, if you were a captain at sea, so there's that metaphor of like riding a ship through a storm, and that's trying to get through your daily life. So you can combine things from both of those, and you'll hear it in these lyrics. So I'll sing it for you now. And then, just to tell you the melody too, because that's the melody, right? So that's why I have that kind of, once you have lyrics to it, and try to fit some words into it. So it goes, I message my best friend asking what I should do. No answers in the books I read in school. Do I really need a reason to be what I be? Don't we all just deserve to be jolly and free? Riding the storm, riding the storm. Surf the waves as they come, learn and explore. have on vision that should be guaranteed. Writing stone, writing the stone, surf the waves as they come, learn and explore. Say we need more. Kind of a protest song a little bit too in there. So I mean, you can say a lot of things with one song, one idea. It's called double entendre. Your song's about this, but it's also about that. So that one, but also you can have kind of nonsense lyrics in songs. Let's play another one that just uses, you can see that song. I had different melodies going against the same 3 chords. So this one's the same thing. It's 3 chords over and over, but it's got a verse and a chorus and a verse and a chorus. And this one is kind of more abstract lyrics. You can make lyrics up about anything as long as they have an image. So this one's called What's Going On Inside. Intro, where you kind of set your groove for the song. That's your rhythm, right? Well, they're lined up at the door. You see the lions slay their pride, dripping from the details. What's going on inside? Every curiosity becomes the throw-up ride. What we saw inside ourselves changed everything we tried. They'll dive them on you gently, let demons hold you back. If they meet you in the morning, good luck to you all back. Whoa, I want to know. Whoa, I want to know. We'll give the world a vibe. Conventional sweet groovy kill. What's going on inside? The rented bus, the school bar took us to the other side. What we saw outside ourselves shamed everything we tried. If I make a fancy dream into a tale of knowing, I wonder where it came from, where the cold keeps on blowing. Whoa, I want to know. 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 Well, what's going on inside is something hard to understand. Hidden in the buildings, rocks from the ground. If the action in the club would broke crowd of mind, turns out to be nothing more than simple human pride. Whoa, good ending on your songs. So that one's a little more abstract, but you know what's going on inside? That could be a million things. So, in a lot of the songs you'll probably hear on the radio today will be like little story songs about just what's, you know, somebody's longing, or, you know, love songs like you're longing for a friend. This song's kind of just a story of just, you know, if you're sitting on the corner and you're just hoping to see a friend or a family member, and it's Hoping for You. So this one, we've got a verse and then a chorus. So you hear two different parts in the song, a little different than the one chord thing, but then you just take two parts that kind of go together and you put those together, and there's your verse and your chorus, the most important two parts of a song. And then I said earlier we had a bridge. We'll talk about that in the next song. So this one's called Hoping for You. If you want to get the rhythm right? So it goes. I'm just watching the crowds go by, hoping for you, hoping for you, for you. I always sleep with an open eye, hoping for you, for you. I'm hoping for you, for you. Dreams lost in the twilight of my mind. Sometimes you gotta let go just to be kind. Memories give, but they also take. Why does joy always ride the fade? Someone fumbling with keys outside, hoping for you, for you. I'm hoping for you, for you. I heard my phone and I almost cried, hoping for you, for you. I'm hoping for you, for you. Dreams lost in the twilight of my mind. Sometimes you gotta let go just to be kind. Memories give, but they also take. Why does joy always ride alone? Hoping for you, hoping for you, hoping for you, I'm hoping for you. That song has a refrain of the same thing over and over, and you hear that in a lot of songs. Hoping for you. So then you get people singing along with you, right? Over and over. Hoping for you. So, the last song I'll play, and this one's got three parts to it. Now this is called The Clutch of the Hands of Time. Now you could write about all kinds of subjects. Time is a great one because it's a universal theme. So we're all living, we only have so much time, we have to be somewhere on time. We all know what time is, so when you write a song about time, you know, there's a lot of people that can relate to it. This one's a little bit of like, it's a video game like Warcraft or something. It's got that kind of mystical Middle Ages kind of feel to it. So yeah, this is Clutch of the Hands of Time. Look out the window, time is waving at me. Waving at me. Flying past you, with fierce eyes are all you can be. All you can be. But if you can dance into a formless trance, touch of the hands of time, you might break free. Yeah, if you can dance into a formless trance, touch of the hands of time, you might break free. Let your mind fly with the four winds of liberty. Strike up the band now, celebrate all your good deeds. All your good deeds. You are the hero that smiles and bleeds. Smiles and but if you can dance And speaking of time, we're out of time. That was part 3, songs. So, you know, if I can do it, you can do it. Go out there, learn an instrument, put some melodies together, express yourself, and have fun with music. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Jason Eastwood.